Welcome everyone. In this video, we are exploring another free online learning platform called Eduonix. Eduonix is all very effective online learning platform, offering a wide variety of learning options. And it's the best choice for anyone looking for free online courses with workshops. If you have ever wanted to learn a new skill, check out all the free courses offered by them. Click on the link which I have given in the description to the Eduonix official website. Once you are in, you will see best-selling courses. Further scroll down. By filtering each category you will have more courses to learn. But these courses are paid courses. By clicking the Explore button, you will have more options. Live training, webinars, free workshop and learn for free. How do I get the free courses? By selecting the Learn for Free, you will redirected to this page. With popular courses, beginner to intermediate, further scroll down for main category. Software development, marketing, office productivity, personal development, business, academics, lifestyle, hobbies and DIY, IT, engineering and technology, design. Also set your learning level and video duration. Under each category, you will have various topics with related courses. To start learning a course, first sign up with your Google or Facebook account. Once you successfully logged in, Now select a subject which you are concerned to learn, then choose a topic, click on the title. Once you selected it will be switched to another page with course title and description, followed by interactive video. Further down you will see About, Course Content, Prerequisites, Instructors, Reviews and FAQs. Press the Enroll Now button, start learning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.